Hello everyone, once again welcome back to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today here in this full video I will show you how to open RAR files on iPhone with your iOS 16. Lot of iPhone users are facing this issue that RAR files isn't open on their iPhones. Here as you can see, this file isn't able to open right now. So now I will give you the solution to open RAR files on your iPhone. Please watch this full video to learn how it works. Now let's begin. First of all, go to shortcuts on your iPhone and here tap on plus at the top right corner. Next here to add search for files. Now select the file that you want to open on your iPhone. And once you select the file, then again go to search and search for extract archives. Then tap on extract archive. Next you have to tap on save file. So the file is saved. Now go back. Now here you can see the first shortcut is save file. Tap on 3 dot to name it. Here simply select the storage in renamed folder. So you can easily find out anywhere from your iPhone. Once you are done with this, then tap done. Now we'll go to files to check. Now open files and here you can see the new renamed folder. Tap on that. So you can see in this folder there are 5 photos available and here it is. So that's how easily you can open RAR files on your iPhone with iOS 16. Hopefully this video will be helpful for all of you, and if it is, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.